Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, today we got one of the baddest watch faces out there today. This one is from MD. I had to download this one. I couldn't wait for the guy to send it to me, so I went ahead and paid for it. Now, it only costs 99 cents in the Gear Manager store, and this one is definitely worthy of being in your lineup. With that being said, let's go ahead and let's check this one out. Now, MD took this one to an all-new high, an all-new level, and I'm loving this watch face. Now, I'm thinking you can dress up super casual, and you possibly can get away with dressing up with this watch face, depend on what outfit you're gonna play this with. Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to get the same look, the same design, the same layout. It's just going to be dimmed down in the AOD mode, but it's going to look absolutely gorgeous. Now, if you look at the top, you are going to get MD's initial. Now, I like the mechanical arms that's right there. It looks beautiful, adds a lot of character, really brings the watch face out, and it screams premium all day long. Now, right in between those, you're gonna get info on your steps, miles walked or ran. This is gonna represent your heart rate information. If you look down at the bottom where you see the green light, those are your zones. So long as it's in the green, you are A-OK. Now, let's take a look at this clock. Now, I thought the clock would really add a little bit more character to it, especially considering the placement with the other two wheels that are right there. I thought it looked absolutely gorgeous. Now, you're gonna get your battery percentage in there. You're gonna get your analog time as well. You're going to get 24-hour times, and you're going to get a digital time within the same watch face, and it is definitely legible and it looks great. Now, to the right of that, you're going to get, of course, the day of the week and your date, and it's blended in perfectly. Now, I'm still going to consider this to be a premium watch face all day long, especially considering the design and the attention to detail. Now, this watch face is interactive, and you can tap in certain places in order to extract certain information from this watch face, and I'm telling you, my man has done an excellent job with blending this in. Now, what I like about the watch face also is, yeah, you can set a favorite. You get two places to do it, and it lets you know where they are. That one's labeled number 1, and down at the bottom, that one's labeled number 2. Now, this is a first for a watch face like this of this caliber. I'm loving that. And also, you can customize the color. Check this out. Double tap right there, and you can customize the color theme of the outside of the watch face, and I thought that was awesome. And that's not it, right? Because if you want to change it to more, just double tap in the middle, and you can customize the color theme to many different color variations to your liking. This is a definite download for your archives. All right, you all, that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you wanna see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.